Stay tuned to find out how to make these Valentine's Day placeholders. So I got these placeholders made of wood from Target in their little dollar section, and I thought that they were really cute but extremely plain. So I wanted to jazz them up and give them a little bit of extra decoration because they'll be really cute if you are having a Valentine's Day dinner with your bae or your girlfriends or any just loved ones, family or friends. So for the first DIY placeholder, I found this red and white string also in that dollar section at Target, and so I am going to just wrap the string around the wood placeholder. Once I got a few wraps around the sides, then I am going to wrap the one half of the heart in the rest of that string. I am going to leave the wood showing on one side just in case you like that little rustic look. I am using a little bit of hot glue just to secure the string because it is very slippery and it does slide off. As you can see, I was struggling just a little bit to get this rope wrapped around this place card holder. So the hot glue just adds a little bit of security and keeps the string in place. You'll continue wrapping the string around the wood placeholder until you cover the entire side of the heart. For the second place card holder, I am going to paint the heart its signature color, red, and I am using acrylic paint. I really only did a couple of coats. I did not think that it needed to be too vibrant, and I kind of liked still seeing the grain of the wood through the paint. So for this part, I just went ahead and painted both sides of the heart red, and on the edges I covered them in gold paint after I had painted them red, just to add a little bit of shimmer to the heart. And then I let it dry. And lastly, for the third place card holder, I did a half and half with this paint job, and I did one half of the heart red, and then the other half I'm using that gold paint that we used on place card holder number 2. And I just thought it was a very cute contrast, the gold and the red, and this one is actually my favorite, to be honest with you. But I did go ahead and paint both sides, the half and half red, half gold, and I also painted like the outer rim of the heart as well. And then I also just left this to dry fully. They really only take at most about 2 hours to dry because they're so small and the wood absorbs the paint. And here are what the Valentine's Day themed placeholders look like once they're finished and dry. I think that these came out so cute. They're going to be really great little place card holders. I also found these little Hello Love tags at that dollar section of Target, and so I'm just using these as my placeholder. You, of course, could write in the person's name at the bottom or at the top just to tell them hello, love, as you set the table for your dinner. I really hope you enjoyed this really simple and really quick Valentine's DIY. I will be one more DIY themed for Valentine's Day just before the 14th gets here. So you'll have a couple of ideals of things to do if you are planning to spend that day with somebody special in your life, whether it's a bae, a family member, a friend group, whatever. You'll have options to decorate from my channel. Alright everybody, I love you. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you leave me a comment down below and let me know how you would decorate your place card holders. Also, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and be a part of the DIY Clever family. And make sure you share this with a friend. Alright everybody, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. And always keep creating. Alright, I love you guys. Bye.